Right, friends, stock market update for the 12th of March, the week in which Silicon Valley Bank collapsed. Let's look at the week ahead and what it means, where the opportunities might lie. And I want to go into quite a bit of detail on this one. So let's crack on straight away. By the way, don't forget to look at my campaign for $1 million.com to teach a million people how to be better investors. Okay, so where are we on all of this? First of all, what you see here is price earnings ratios or share price relative to the profitability of the companies. And the only cheap ones marked in green are really in the energy sector and banks. Well, you don't see SVB in there, but you do see others who probably won't have the same poor risk management with their bond assets as SVB did, Silicon Valley Bank did, and therefore these are going to get cheaper. Okay, would I buy today? No, I'm going to wait to see what happens. In fact, I've turned risk averse, obviously, and I'm not looking to put more cash in until April and see what happens in April. But those are the only two cheap sectors, which means you see all of this, which is marked in red, that's all going to get a hammering. Well, what have utilities got to do with Silicon Valley Bank? Nothing. They're just going to get hammered because they're overvalued, and Silicon Valley Bank was a good excuse to drag down the rest of the market. What did performance this past week look like? Well, there were some companies which did all right, some of the tech ones, but everybody else was already getting hammered anyway. That's going to continue, at least for the week ahead. S&P 500, where are we? Well, we've had this continued fall and we've come back to this support after a very good ride up from pretty much the middle of last year almost. We're probably going to break into this. Will we go as low as this, which would mean a 25% drop? No, I don't think we'll go that low. Yeah, well, let's see. Okay, I certainly think we'll drop here. And what do I mean by let's see? Well, if I don't have to make a decision today, then I won't make it today. I can wait and see on what will happen. But it certainly means I'm not looking to deploy more cash today. I'll wait until April to do that. This monthly MACD is bottoming out. It's going to take longer. It's going to take longer given the headwinds we've got in the markets before it starts rising upwards. So don't be surprised if we get that move down, and then we'll worry in April, May, June, July what happens there. That doesn't mean we should be out of the markets completely. It just means there's going to be some opportunities, and we'll see which they are, but they're going to be fewer as well. The FTSE's rising, but when it's done this before, it's tended to peak and then go sideways to lower, and I suspect it's going to do the same now. Sideways to lower, might even have hit its high for the year already. Apple still within this long channel, so we'll just wait. This is still moving lower, so I wouldn't buy more yet. And you can see, even though it's trying to move higher, there's this big headwind pushing it backwards. So whilst it's not falling, it's certainly not moving upwards as fast as we'd like, and it's probably going to have a bit of a sideways motion. And remember that, because quite a few stocks look like that. This one's falling in the case of Alphabet. It's got a base there, and whilst it tried to get ahead, it couldn't, and it's trying again, it probably won't. It's probably going to go sideways for a little bit. How long? I don't know. I don't mind. We'll just have to wait. Time is money, you see, and what the markets do when there's headwinds is take longer, take more time, which is money, of course, but they take more time. So instead of doing that, it's probably going to do this before it does that. Okay, let's have a look at Microsoft, another one that I like and own. Like the S&P 500, rose, fallen, probably going to continue lower or sideways for a bit. Will it crash and burn? No. But will it go here? Yeah. And then we'll reevaluate in another month. Amazon, which did fall dramatically, of course, it halved in price, then made a recovery, it fell back again. That's the angle we're looking at, that return from this base. So we're still doing okay for now. We'll just have to wait and see. I mean, it really is getting very oversold here. And so if it continues at this level, the longer it waits, obviously the more profits it's earning in the real world, and the rebound will happen a little bit later, but it will happen. Disney got hit. What's that got to do with Silicon Valley Bank, unless they're banking with them, which I'm not aware of? Well, it's trying to form that base, and the rest of the market fell, and so it fell with it, because often these trades are done in baskets. Am I worried? No, we'll just wait another month. Nvidia's doing rather well still, isn't it? Yes, thank you very much. And this is what a healthy stock looks like. Just still forming that base before rising, and the weekly MACD's rising, the weekly and monthly stochastics still strong, stock still strong. JP Morgan banking, of course, got whacked. Well, it's only at January levels. Is it likely to go all the way back to where it was there, or even lower where it was during the middle of COVID? Probably not. But you can see how, on a more longer perspective, this is the monthly MACD. It's just flat, it's just going sideways. I mean, I know the weekly MACD's fallen off a bit because of what happened on Silicon Valley Bank, but again, not panicked, not particularly worried. Tesla rose, fell back. You can see it there, tech darling. Well, now obviously the market's going to decide it hates tech stocks because of what happened to SVB, but it'll probably flatten out here, and I'm all about patience on this one, not worried. More stocks to come. Don't forget to look at all of that in the campaignfor1million.com. I will continue on my YouTube channel giving you more and more stocks, insights, particularly about Silicon Valley Bank, and on Telegram. So do have a like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, all of those things that you do. And the links are on alpeshpatel.com/links to my book, all free, and a whole bunch of other material. So thank you very much.